Hey guys, this is Peter from A.V. McDonald Elementary, and here I have the elementary math pages. Please remember to write your names, that's very important. And let's get started. So we have the example done already. We have our hundreds, tens, and ones place. So we're looking at 694 minus 497. So we look at our ones. 4 is less than 7, so we're going to need to borrow. So we'll take away our 9, turn that into an 8, turn 4 into 14. And we know 14 minus 7 is 7. We don't have 9 there anymore, we have 8. 8 minus 9, we're going to have to borrow for that one too, so we'll take away our 6, turn that into 5. 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9, we know that's 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. 694 minus 497 is 197. You can pause the video here and finish the rest of these on your own. All right, welcome back. Write a fact family using the numbers 6, 7, and 13, and then solve the problems. So we can say 6 plus 7 equals 13. How else can we arrange those numbers to make true statements? Make sure to remember to do the puzzler on the bottom right. Multiplying by 5. Find the product. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Keep going at your own pace, and you can pause the video here if you like. At the bottom of the page, fill in the multiplication chart. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. And keep going. On our regrouping page, let's go over the steps of multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. First, multiply the 5 by the 2 to get 10. The number 0 is left below, and the 1 is regrouped in the tens place. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 up here, 0 down here. 1, 0 makes 10. Next, multiply the 5 by the 1 in the tens place to get 5. Add the 1 you regrouped to get 6. 5 times 1 is 5, plus that 1 up here gives us 60. Finally, since the number is under 10 and does not need to be regrouped, write the 6 below in the tens place. Let's try one down here. 13 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Give ourselves a 5 there and a 1 up here. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So 13 times 5 is 65. You can pause the video here to finish the rest of the page. And we're going to write our names again just in case these pages are separated in your packet at home. And now we'll write the time. The hours hand is pointing at 12, and the minutes hand is pointing at 4. So we know the hour is 12. And the minutes hand, if we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. Another thing you can do to remember is each of these numbers multiplied by 5 tells you what minute it is. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 5, 20. So 12, 20. You can pause the video here and keep going at your own pace. Determine which number correctly answers both equations. First, we're going to write our name real quick. For our example, 20 divided by 4 equals what? And what times 4 equals 20? Since multiplication and division can be considered opposites of each other in a way, the same number should be true in both statements. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. You can check this by doing some quick division. I don't know if you guys have done long division yet. Let's cancel that. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fours equal 20. You can pause the video here and keep going at your own pace. This one, let's do at home. This one, let's do at home. Tammy's allowance is $5. She did extra chores around the house and earned an extra $1.75. She goes to the store with her older sister and buys an ice cream for $2.25. On her way home, she finds $1. How much money does Tammy have? So hopefully you guys have the same instructions worked out at home. Tammy's allowance, let's break these up into different sections. Her allowance is $5, so we're gonna write $5. She earned extra money. She earned an extra $1.75. And she found money. She found $1. So we can add all of these together. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 7. So Tammy's total is $7.75. She spent $2.25 on ice cream. So we'll write $2.25. And so our problem becomes $7.75 minus $2.25. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 5, 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Tammy has $2.50 left. Oh, wow. That's wrong. Tammy has $5.50 left. Sorry, guys. For the last two problems, there are instruction sheets on the back, so we'll flip back and forth between the first one. Mark got $25 for his birthday, which he is allowed to spend on anything he wants. His dad takes him to the arcade, and he spends $9 playing games. Mark decides to buy a remote control car for $12 and a giant soda pop for $2.50. How much money does Mark have left? You know what? This will work. So let's start with $25. This says allowance. We'll just write birthday. $25. His dad takes him to the arcade and he spends $9 playing games. Let's write games. 25 minus 9 gives us $16 left. So we'll move that up to here, $16. He decides to buy a remote control car for $12. So we'll say car, 12, and a giant soda pop for $2.50. Soda, 2.5. So to figure out what we're taking out of 16, first, let's add 12 and $2.50 together. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 0, 1. So 1450 is what we have here. (16 minus 1450). We need to do some borrowing. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5. Let's do 5. Make 0 into a 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 1. So Mark has $1.50 left over. You can pause the video here. Keep going on your own. A matter of time. Answer the questions about time. Janie went to the library at 3:45 p.m. and left at 7:45 p.m. How long was she at the library? So she started at 3:45, which is what it's showing here, and left at 7:45. So our minutes hand doesn't change. So we can all focus just on the hours hand. So 3:45, 4:45, 5:45, 6:45. 4:45, 5:45, 6:45, 7:45. She went for 4 hours. Another quick way to check our answer, if we consider that the minutes are the same, we can cross them out. 7 minus 3 equals 4. All right. That concludes our video. You can finish the rest of the math packet on your own. Thank you.